Modi's sweep of Gujarat by polls and Nitish's loss to Lalu Prasad in Maharajganj by-election seem to be going a long distance in settling the debate in the NDA over its prime ministerial choice. Well, the win has not only helped the BJP make up its mind to back the Gujarat strongman, but sources now indicate that the party is also firming up its strategy to deal with life after Nitish Kumar in Bihar. Here's a special report.
With Modi sweeping Gujarat and Nitish losing ground to Lalu, the scales within the NDA have tilted. A chastised JDU has softened up a bit.
मैं किसी व्यक्ति के विषय में बोलना न उचित है, न मेरी जानकारी है, लेकिन इतना जरूर है कि गठबंधन के कुछ साथियों में उत्साह की कमी जरूर दिखी है.
A humbled party seems to have felt the need to go back to the drawing board for recalculating the pros and cons of splitting with the BJP.
ये पुरानी बातें हैं, अब ये बातें खत्म हो गई. उसके बाद भी एनडीए ने इकट्ठे मिलकर के चुनाव लड़ा है. उसके बाद भी कई तरह के चुनाव हुए हैं, तो उस बात को हम ज्यादा इंपोर्टेंस इस समय नहीं दे रहे हैं. हमने एनडीए में हैं, एनडीए में रहेंगे.
Meanwhile, an upbeat BJP sources say is preparing for life after Nitish and has even launched an operation to wean away disgruntled JDU leaders to turn the tables on the Bihar Satra. Cornered, the JDU is forced to prepare a counter-strategy of splitting Bihar BJP by weaning away saffron party leaders who are dependent on the JDU support for winning the elections. Wooing independence is another strategy adopted by the JDU.
The BJP has begun counter maneuvers. That leaders in the BJP have been assigned the task of calling up JDU MLAs in Bihar, especially the upper caste leaders, and seeing if the BJP can woo them away from Nitish Kumar.
Bureau Report, Headlines Today.
All right, for more, I'm now joined by my colleague Atish Srivastav from Delhi. Also joining us from Patna is Rohit Singh. Atish, if I could come to you first, just take us through what the BJP is planning to do at this point. Engineering a rift in the JDU, it's certainly looking 10 steps ahead after winning the crucial by-elections.
Well, one thing is sure that both these parties know very well that there will be a day when they will have to survive without each other, because BJP has made it amply clear the signals are being sent that Narendra Modi may be the face of the prime ministerial candidate. Even if he is not face, then he will play a prominent role in strategizing for 2014 election. And JDU has made it clear that if that happens, they will move out. So the only thing is, the BJP also has sent a message to all the Bihar unit members that there will be a day that we will have to be without JDU, and we all need to be ready for the eventuality, and we need to conquer all 40 seats. Because we know for sure that BJP leaders are also in touch with JDU leadership, JDU MLAs and rebels to get them into their folds, and that is what the strategy is right now.
All right, let me also quickly go across to Rohit Singh, who's joining us from Patna this morning. Rohit, just take us through the counter maneuvering from JDU's side. It appears to be on a back foot right now after this major boost that Narendra Modi has got in the by-poll results.
Absolutely, Ruchika. After Narendra Modi has got a boost in Gujarat, it is Nitish Kumar who is on the back foot right now after losing Maharajganj, and that is why these speculations, these talks that are going on that BJP is trying to split the JDU is not based as there, because there is a definite section, there is a faction in the JDU that is disgruntled, that is dissatisfied with Nitish Kumar's style of functioning, and it is very easy for BJP to poach them. They are more than willing to come to the BJP camp as elections draws near. But the JDU is also saying that they also have a counter strategy of poaching into the BJP camp. They also say that they are in talks with several MLAs, legislators and also ministers who could come to the JDU camp as soon as elections draw. So both parties are now claiming that the poaching strategy is almost ready.
Rohit Singh and Atish Srivastav, thank you very much for joining us. So both parties right now are chalking out their strategy, but the defeat of Nitish Kumar's candidate in the Maharajganj Lok Sabha seat has come as a shot in the arm for Lalu Prasad's RJD. Now, Lalu is putting more pressure on Nitish Kumar to part ways with the NDA. Speaking exclusively to Headlines Today, he launched a frontal attack on Nitish Kumar.
कि नीतीश कुमार का पतन शुरू होगा. अब नरेंद्र मोदी घोषित प्रधानमंत्री का कैंडिडेट है तो यह फैसला क्यों नहीं ले रहा है दम तो निकलो, है दम तो निकलो नीतीश।
So Lalu Prasad clearly sensing that Nitish Kumar can be defeated without the BJP. He is now playing his cards to ensure that Nitish carries out his threat to part ways with the party, and also at the same time, after the Saffron Party decided to elevate Narendra Modi as the chief of its poll campaign team. Well, Lalu will not only wants to exploit Nitish Kumar's dilemma on the issue, but also seeks to expose what he terms as Nitish Kumar's bluff before the minorities in Bihar.
Provoking or challenging Nitish Kumar. While on the one hand, there was indeed bad news for Nitish Kumar, Laluji. On the other hand, there was extremely good news for Narendra Modi. He's won in the 6 by-polls in Gujarat. All of these were Congress seats. He's also now finally been appointed or been chosen to be appointed the party's poll panel chief. क्या आपको लगता है कि अगर नरेंद्र मोदी बिहार आते हैं, वहां पे कैंपेन करते हैं, तो आपके लिए मुश्किल हो जाएगी और बीजेपी की टैली अच्छे से बढ़ जाएगी? क्योंकि ओपिनियन पोल भी ये दिखाते हैं कि अगर बीजेपी नरेंद्र मोदी को प्रोजेक्ट करती है तो एक तरफ जेडीयू की सीटें कम होंगी और बीजेपी की सीटें बढ़ेंगी। क्या आपको लगता है कि मोदी आपके लिए खतरा होंगे बिहार में, लालू जी?
अरे लालू के लिए हम सब खतरनाक लोगों को मैं जानता हूं, सबसे मैं लड़ा हूं। ये जाने नीतीश कुमार जाने उसका काम, हम तो यहाँ लड़ने के लिए तैयार हैं, पहले भी लड़े हैं, इस सबसे हम लड़ चुके हैं। आज घोषित तो घोषणा हुई है कि नरेंद्र मोदी का, अब नीतीश ने बतावे जो छल कर रहा था मुसलमान भाइयों का वोट को अपने साइड में लेने के लिए, दम है इसको।